Yeah. But she said you ain't nice at all. You know I'm
Look,
nice.
I don't talk to niggas. I don't feel these niggas at all. Got 100 round in my pocket, I'm ready to go kill these niggas. Look, and it's tunnel vision. When I'm in the field, nigga. If I tell Mikey Woo that he gon' go drill a nigga, I'm a Brooklyn nigga. But shout out my Philly niggas. I don't fuck with a lot of niggas because I'm too real for niggas. They know what it means to have $1 million dreams. Then you wake up on the block and it's back to serving fiends. I don't drink Belair, but I'm a Belair like I'm Uncle Phil. Don't call me bluff, nigga I am and nigga I will. Look, ain't I'm from the fields, now it's $1 million deals. And it's all out of nowhere, push me and I'ma go there. All in a second, gun kicking like it's Tekken. I'm a force to be wrecking, I'm God's perfection. Look, God gave me a lot of some months, but it could go in a second. If I fucked the wrong bitch or woke up in the wrong session, I don't